Guess what? It's mail time. Birthday Wishlist Edition Part 2. And a huge thank you to anybody who has sent me anything off that list. I never expect to receive anything, but y'all are truly amazing. So, thanks. I've enjoyed your content for ages and hope you enjoy these just as much or more. Happy birthday from Ryan. I got some earbuds. I have not had a good set of wireless earbuds in a bit, so I am real stoked about these. So thanks, Ryan. Happiest of days, you are an amazing, passionate, informative person, and I appreciate how much of your energy and knowledge you share. Please continue to care for yourself. From Denise G. Thank you, Denise. And to go along with the earbuds, over-the-ear headphones too. Because although my old over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones have been wonderful, I have worn them out a bit. Yeah, they're kind of falling apart. And although I am going to try to fix that pair eventually, I don't really have a whole lot of time to do that right now, but I do need noise-canceling headphones because they help my brain. So thank you, Denise. And last but not least, happy birthday from April Cobb. I am so excited. Boots. I've always wanted a pair of boots like this, and I've never had a pair before, so I swear with every year I am alive, I get gothier and gothier. So thank you so much to April and to Denise and Ryan. March has been such a busy month for me that I did not really do much of anything for my birthday, so to be getting a few things here and there is actually really, really nice. So thanks.